Hi, it's Megan, and today I'm going to tell you how to keep your cryptocurrencies safe. Everybody has heard stories about people who have lost all of their cryptocurrency. What many people do not understand is that in these cases, it is not actually the cryptocurrency that is lost, but it is the people that have lost access to their coins by losing their credentials. For each blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, each person can have multiple wallets, but each wallet has its own address. In order to keep your cryptocurrency safe, it is important to understand these credentials. For every wallet, there are two numbers that are very important. The first number is the public key, which is also called the wallet address. This is the equivalent to an account number at a bank or a username for your social media. Other people cannot steal your coins if they get your public key, but it is a good idea to not give away your public key. Although other people cannot steal your coins with your public key, they can see how many coins you have and your transaction history by putting your public key into websites like blockchain.com or Etherscan. The second number is your private key. Your private key is the equivalent to a password to a social media account or your banking PIN number. The private key is used to sign transactions, meaning it allows people to spend your coins or transfer them to their wallet if they get a hold of it. When you hear of people's coins being stolen by hackers, it means that somebody put their private key in an email or stored them in a file on their computer or phone, and hackers were able to get in and steal them. When you hear people losing their keys, it means that they have lost their private key. For this reason, it is very important that you write down your private key on a sheet of paper and put it somewhere very safe. With the Sanctuary app, you can see your public key just by clicking on one of the wallets, and the number above the QR code is your public key. The private key can be seen by clicking on a wallet within the Sanctuary app and then clicking on the settings button. There are two ways the private key can be viewed here, and we recommend writing them both down. One way is to select the recovery phrase. The other way is to select View Private Key. We recommend writing down the numeric private key, which is the big long number with a mixture of numbers and letters. Also, step through the secret recovery phrase and write down all the words, pressing the next button to see each word. Remember, if anyone gets a copy of your private key, they can steal your coins. So keep these numbers secret and do not send them in an email or a text message. Thank you so much for watching another Sanctuary DEX YouTube video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and go download the Sanctuary Wallet app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. If you have any more questions about what we do or our products, please visit the Sanctuary DEX website.